Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be telling you guys some of the pointers for Diwali outfit and ideas that I have planned for you guys. I will obviously put up the green screen thing so that you guys can relate to that and you can analyze. And this video is not in specific for women and men. This video is for both. Obviously I cannot show you guys how I could style men's outfit, but I will put up some pictures and I will obviously tell you guys how you can style that. But you have to stick around. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. For women, the first thing, mom's closet is a treasury for every woman girl out there, because in mom's closet you can find any pieces for Indian outfit, because they have kurtis, they have lehengas, they have everything in their closet. So if you have nothing, you can always raid your mom's closet. I also raid my mom's closet, as I will tell you guys how you can style what, but I would like to tell you guys, you have to put up every Indian outfit on your bed or any crop top that you have on your bed, and you have to picturize what vibe you want for your outfit. If you want all black, all white and a tint of dupatta, like I am wearing white, and if I wear white palazzo pants, I will be all white and I have a color tint, right? So this vibe, if you want that. Another vibe you can go for is all lamb, like all chatak matak, and the third vibe can be semi, thoda bahut chatak matak and little bit of being subtle. And another is being subtle and playing with your hairstyle, your makeup and your jewelry. You have to use your crop tops with mom's sari, so that I will put up a picture so that you guys can have a little idea. Like you can use a crop top of yours and a sari, which can go in together, like the color coordination goes in together, like that. You can do crop tops with lehenga. Like every woman has a lehenga and they don't wear a lot of time. Like I have a lehenga and I haven't worn it from like so many years, but I did style it. I will show you guys in the end of my blabbering, but I will put up a picture so that you guys can relate to how you can style your lehenga with your short, your crop top or any. Another thing you can do, if you don't like wearing saris, lehenga, what you can do, you can use your kurti or anarkali in a very beautiful way. I will tell you guys, you can style your simple kurti with a palazzo pants or a pant or a skirt, anything you have. I will put up a picture. Do have an anarkali, which is like kurti plus lehenga, but it's one piece. You can see the picture, and I love that piece because these were the ideas that I have for you guys to style.
With the transparent shirt, I did style this lehenga and this sharara that I had from a heavy suit. It perfectly blended in together. Then I did style a mesh top with the same lehenga that I had, and then I styled it with a black palazzo and a colorful dupatta for that Indo-Western sari type of look.
Next is for men outfit. I would suggest, if you guys don't like wearing Indian, because I haven't seen many men wearing Indian outfit, but I do know that you must be having like an kurta, a white kurta or an pastel kurta. You can wear that with these waist. I will put up a pictures. These are the pieces that you can easily find in your dad's closet, and also it's winter time, you can use the shawls that your dad use. That is also very easily available, or you can also raid in for your mom's shawl for that royal vibe. But I would suggest you guys to raid your mom's and dad's closet if you don't have anything to wear and you want a little bit change in that, the plus pointers that I want to add into this video is things. Two are for the outfits. First thing is to color coordinate the outfits. If you color coordinating some outfit, you have to research on Google that what color goes in with what, so that you can find like a perfect color. And it's very nice if you find like the correct color for the contrast, because it throws a very nice light for the people around you that you are like wearing something beautiful. So yeah, you have to see the color coordination scheme because it's very important. I have learned it by years. So you have to see what coordinates with what, like the color thing. Next thing I want to mention is monochrome. What is monochrome is you wearing like a solid color, like all over you're wearing solid color. So if you're wearing all black or all white, you have to focus on your jewelry or footwear and accessories you are adding to that outfit, so that the outfit is like being seen by the people. You are also showcasing your jewelry, your accessories, and this thing also add on an extra part to your outfit. You can also add a dupatta or shawl, whatever goes with your outfit. You have to think what you want, like picturize your thoughts and know your vibe, so that you can put up an amazing outfit. I know everyone is creative, it's just that you have to sit down and think. Is the makeup and the jewelry, please do invest in heavy jewelry, I would suggest, or use or buy jewelries which can be used in multiple ways, because it's very important. Buy a heavy set like a kundan set, or buy like chand balis, heavy silver jewelry, the makeup, your hair or your footwear really change the whole game. That was the thing that I told you guys in the video, like how to look put together. Yeah, it's very important to balance everything in. You shouldn't be looking like all with your outfit, your jewelry, your hairstyle and everything. Balance your things out. And the last thing I would like to suggest you guys, if you want to style any piece, even if a shirt, a lehenga or anything, do Pinterest, and I would put up a green screen so that you guys can see. You will be able to find the hairstyles, outfit ideas, and how you can style one piece in very different ways. I would like to suggest you guys, Pinterest is something which is very helpful, so I would suggest you guys to check that out. Not only for women but for boys, you can find everything like outfit details, hair mask detail, skincare details. You can find so many ideas from Pinterest. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you tomorrow on the last video of Diwali week. So yeah, this is me signing off on the second last day of Diwali week. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and do comment if you have any questions. I would be really happy to answer those questions. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.